So finally, the Uniti car is available for ordering. That's fantastic. We waited so long. We can see how to order the car or pre-order. We can configure it, and we have 17,767 euros at the start. We start with the body. Here's the car. You can see it, very tiny. It's a city car. It's very nice, very slick. Scandium, titanium, graphite. You can choose your air wheels. Scandium, titanium, graphite. Halogen and lead. Okay, 700 extra. Let's try to max this thing out. 700. Okay, interior. Dark. Light. Dark. You can see inside the cabin here. Fantastic. You can have a light interior. Feels more roomy. It's like a spaceship. Fantastic. Okay. Let's take this one. Titanium. We can take that one. We add driver seat, heated driver seat. Flooring. Well, let's take the more expensive stuff. Okay. And now extras. 6-way speaker we want a bigger range, 24. Of course we want 22 kilowatts AC charging. 3.2 is too little. Safety, mobilized system as Tesla used. Sorry. Tires, of course we want winter tires if we live northern countries. And AC. So we ended up in 25,947 euros plus delivery fees and taxes, of course. 300 kilometers. Oh, don't say they use any DC. No, they don't say anything about that. They just say 300. Probably VLTP. Charged based on 50 kilowatts. AC charging varies. 22 minutes. That's good. Very flexible. Digital first, yeah, we can see that. Yeah, it's very neat, very urban. 760 liters. Nice materials. Here are the safety security: airbag, ABS, TPMS, ESC, ISOFIX, anti-theft immobilizer, city mode, electrochronic sun visor, electrochronic panoramic sunroof, interior RGB, rear view camera. Whoa, 3 screens. Yeah, we love that. Android Automobile OS, Android split screen, over-the-air updates. Yes, we love that. Bluetooth connectivity, Unity mobile app, native Google Maps sharing radio. Yeah, that's good. Electric windows and mirrors, heated front window, 3 USB chargers, factory tint, 4 speaker. Yeah, but we did it to 6. 3 couples, Kevin. And the extras was Mobileye 6 ADAS, LED headlamps, 6 speaker, heated driver seat, winter tires, air conditioning, comfort interior, carpet, utility interior, fast charging. So here are the specs. Max power 50 kilowatt, turning radius 7 meters, that's perfect. Efficiency 8 kilowatt hours for 100 kilometers, that's enormous good. If they can keep this. 9.9 sec to 100 kilometers an hour, not very nice, it's decent. Permanent magnet motor, top speed 120 kilometers, I think that's like 80 miles per hour or something. Disc brakes, and battery is 12 or 24. We had it 4. We discussed the AC power, fast charge power 50 kilowatts only. You don't need more. I had a car with that. It's with this kind of battery, no problem. Front center is the charging port. DC charge 12 kilowatt hours in 12 minutes. Perfect conditions, I can say. Okay. CCS, of course, 24 kilowatt hours. DC charge speed 23 minutes, 80%. Summer, and everything is. Safety, airbags, rear view camera, ABS, tire rev up, anti-theft. We discussed all this. Yes. And warranty in UK warranty 3 year. Yeah. Battery warranty 75% within 6,000 miles or 5 years. 60,000 miles. Okay, that's okay. Drivetrain also 60,000 miles. Service breakdown. Okay, let's order. Join waiting list.